In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count comments in WordPress in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a bustling blog or a thriving community site, understanding engagement through your comments section is essential. Counting comments not only gives you an insight into interaction, but also helps in tailoring your content strategy effectively. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to wordpress.com. If you're not already familiar with WordPress, it's a versatile platform that allows you to create and manage your website content effortlessly. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in. You'll find the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll see several options to authenticate your account. For a streamlined experience, click on Continue with Google. This option will allow you to seamlessly access your WordPress account using your Google credentials, provided your WordPress and Google accounts are linked. It's a convenient option to bypass the need for additional usernames and passwords. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Simply select the account associated with your WordPress site. Once selected, you'll be taken directly into your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center for managing your site, where all your creation and customization tools await. Once you're in the dashboard, direct your attention to the right panel where you'll see something called Quick Links. Under Quick Links, click on Edit Site. This will open the site editor where you can modify the structure and content of your pages. It's the gateway to making creative tweaks or operational adjustments to your site. Now look towards the top left of the site editor for a button labeled Add. By clicking this button, you'll be able to introduce different elements or blocks into your post or page layout. The block editor is one of WordPress's standout features, designed to make the process of customizing your site both intuitive and dynamic. In the Add Block search bar at the top, type in Comments Count. This search will bring up the specific block designed to tally and display the number of comments. This feature is particularly useful for tracking engagement directly on your site without diving into analytics dashboards. Once the search result appears, click on Comments Count. This action will insert the comments count block into your selected page or post area. From here, you can adjust its position and styling as you prefer, letting your visitors easily see how active and engaged your audience is. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently add and display a comments count on your WordPress site. This simple addition can offer great insights into your site's engagement levels at a glance. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!